everyone, welcome to
Live in Life.
This is my wife and this is our sunny boy.
Hello!
And today we are going to eat Sichuan food, Sichuan Chinese food. So let's get started.
Yum, yum, yum.
Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh. Many try some food that I don't know. That's the rhythm of my soul. But that's me. What about you?
Welcome back.
Hello!
Yeah, we will show you things and I will read you whatever it is. Now this one, you need to show it very closely. This is beef,
See?
Sichuan beef soup with noodles, but this is cut noodles, handmade cut noodles, which I was super excited about. And this sauce goes on top of it, but I don't want to put too much spice on top of it because, you know, not everyone loves it. This one, Legend beef rolls. Those are amazing, and
Two of them.
everyone told us that this you must take two of them because otherwise you will not eat
You will get nothing.
nothing.
Someone
yeah.
will eat everything.
Yeah, this is mapo tofu.
Mapu.
Yeah, very spicy mapo tofu. And this one is dan noodles.
Done.
Hand pulled noodles as well.
And it
Made
has
on the spot.
peanuts and
The,
spinach
and pork.
and pork. Minced pork.
Minced pork. So yeah, this is what we're going to eat today.
Rice.
White rice and soy sauce. This is oil. And this is vinegar, dark vinegar.
I'm going to mix this one.
Yeah, mix this one.
I hope so. I hope I'm going to mix it.
Okay.
Where are my chopsticks?
Yeah, everything
Okay.
cost us $42.29. Yeah.
I'll be a cheater and I'll mix with a fork.
I need to try the soup broth.
God. Okay, I'm not sure how am I going to
I
do
think
this.
I need. Do you want me to bring something else to mix it in?
I'm thinking. Oh wow, it's good.
You can't use chopsticks with this.
Ariel, try. Take the wooden one. Isn't that wonderful? I'm going to add a little bit of spicy broth here. Yeah, it should go inside.
Ha, that's what we're going to do. Okay, I have to try and see what's hustle and bustle is all about.
This is hustle and bustle all about.
Yeah. Please work.
Oh. This is good.
This is for this one.
Is it peanut sauce?
Awesome.
Oh, it's on the
The
spicy sauce?
noodle's good.
The noodle is awesome. Put the peanut sauce there. It's a bit spicy. I'm adding a little bit of oil
Is that good?
inside.
Oh, take a bite.
Put the spicy sauce there. Amazing.
Are you going to eat the noodles with the spicy sauce, Ariel?
It's peanut tuna.
Maybe you want to switch spots?
Yeah. Well, not switch. Just put it next here. The thing
Ah.
is, I'm not sure I'll enjoy. I usually don't like pizza sauce.
The beef is falling apart.
Can I try?
No.
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 Actually, yeah. You can put it.
I think you should put it
You can
inside.
put it. You can put it. I thought about
Do I
it.
just pour all of it?
Half of it.
Oh, it's maybe a little strong.
I can tell you
What
for
meat is
sure.
this? What meat is this?
Beef.
Beef.
I can assure you that those noodles are chewy, thick and just amazing. One of the best that I ate in a long time.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I'm trying to
I want more.
learn how to use chopstick.
You see?
Yeah, I felt like the sauce is missing from the noodles. Okay. Anyone
Yeah.
would like noodles?
Oh, definitely I will.
Oh my god.
A little bit. And those are pulled noodles as well.
Noodles.
Noodles. Noodles. We saw guy just
Would you
taking
like
and
some?
making those, you know, on the spot.
Yeah.
Spinach?
Sure, I enjoyed the spinach. I'm eating it with the soup.
More?
I didn't see him because
You
I
want more?
was at my spot. I might eat it too.
Okay. Now I can take from me.
This one is amazing.
The what?
This one.
It's really good.
For sure. Can you get mapo tofu?
I want to try this.
You should.
Did you try it?
I tried it in the
I
Regina.
tried it, it's really good.
I want to try the meat first.
I think mapo tofu is amazing.
So those are the noodles, huh?
This is the pulled noodle, and this is the cut noodle.
Okay, so this is crazy. Look at the side of this noodle. Splashing.
We forgot the napkins.
You forget, just need to reach for them. One at a time.
I love
Ooh,
the
I like
texture.
this.
I love the texture of the noodles. I think they're amazing.
I'll try the broth. Ooh, the
Oh
broth
my, the
itself is good.
tofu is amazing. What do you think about this one?
What's your favorite, which noodles do you like better, the texture? I think I like the big ones for once better.
Really?
I like the big ones too.
I know.
I thought that the big
The big ones are really good. I find they're kind of thick.
they're kind of awesome.
I like the other stick.
I think it's amazing.
The beef is really nice.
The beef is big chunks.
Same.
You know.
And I also like the spinach.
You love the spinach inside? I will give you more. I didn't give you a lot because I knew that you don't like it really. The mapo tofu with the rice is just the best combination ever.
Those noodles are interesting.
Aren't they?
I'm glad they have, they're chewy. I really like them because they're chewy. They're not soft or, you know, overly cooked soggy ones.
You know what?
Can I have my water? Whatever it is?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely. I really enjoyed the.
What do you think about the roll?
I like it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. The thing
It's really good.
is breaking apart.
And the portion size, it's pretty big. Like, I know that Ariel will have breakfast of mapo tofu tomorrow. I have a feeling.
That's pretty cool breakfast.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what we can eat for breakfast. Leftover real food.
Be serious. I actually will eat this for breakfast if there's leftovers.
Oh yeah, 100%.
100% you will eat it for breakfast, for sure.
We're not talking 7 o'clock. We're not talking 7 o'clock breakfast. Like 10.
I wake up late.
I love when people make their own food and they pull.
It's spicy though.
You know what? I've added a little bit of peanut sauce there.
And the soup?
And it's amazing.
How do you find the broth? Very spicy or you can handle it? Eat and answer. Keep chewing, honey.
Everything is falling.
Put the plate closer. Oh, put the plate closer.
No.
That's it. I'm still the cleanest.
Whoops. I actually never got touched. I just fell on my seat.
I'm talking about money.
Oh. Actually, the broth is not spicy to me. It's only this.
This one is not spicy?
No, not at all.
Seriously?
Not at
Try a few more. Because I totally feel the spice.
Not a bit. Literally nothing here. This one is the one I can't take. I can't take this
Oh
one.
my.
It's too spicy, this one?
Yeah,
What do
to
you-
me.
What do you mean not?
You beat my, really? This one?
I can't.
Did you beat my spiciness level in the soup? Like, it's
The soup, I
pleasant, but
can't feel it. I can't feel it. I
the
physically
soup,
can't feel
you
it.
taste that the soup is has a bit spice to it.
I have no idea. I've added more oil.
It's the noodles that I can't take.
Okay, noodles are a bit spicier. It has a little chili pepper.
Yeah, and I can't take them.
And tofu,
I
mapo
can't-
tofu is quite spicy.
But I can't taste this, any spiciness in
Oh,
here.
you can't eat the noodles?
No, bear.
Oh,
I can't.
what can we add? Do you want to add some soy sauce?
No, I don't think it will help.
No. Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
Wow.
What? Ah. But tofu is equally spicy, isn't it?
Tofu is equally spicy, yes.
Not to me.
Someone wants more soup? I think you deserve more soup, guys. Can you give me please your
Master Ball.
master bowl?
Master. Oh.
I'm really joking, Pokemon. Master Ball. Master Ball.
Now I will give him the
And you know,
spinach
so I like the noodles.
and meat.
I like everything.
I will give you
Sure. Tofu is interesting.
it's amazing.
But I think it's spicier than noodles are.
I need to learn how to
Yeah.
make tofu.
No. Not even close.
Don't you know how to make tofu?
The mapo tofu, no, it's a special ingredient that I don't have at home, unfortunately.
It's not even close to spicy.
That's
to
what the
this
restaurant
to
is
be.
called. Don't
Sure.
have to cook everything.
The thing is that I've checked how to make it at home. The problem is that I need to buy 2 or 3 different different sauces that I don't really want to buy them because I'm not going to use all of them. So and they don't sell them, you know, in small containers. I need to buy.
Huge. This one.
This is not soy sauce. If you see, it's dark, but
This
this
one's
is
much
the,
less spicy to me.
Interesting.
I can eat them in spoons at a time without feeling barely anything.
This is vinegar. Yeah.
It's weird.
You're funny.
I'm weird. I learned.
Where is their superpower?
Yes.
Especially with food. I'm literally willing to eat the weirdest things. And for an example, I'm willing to eat 10 Bean Boozled jelly beans at once. And that's what I did. At a birthday party. And also 5 of the worst ones at once
Didn't
as
work
well.
too well.
Yeah. They were giving out jelly beans at the end and I gave them all away. They were giving jelly beans, like the good ones, at the end, and I didn't eat them. I just gave them away to some of the other kids. I just couldn't eat them.
Yep.
And they're the good ones, not the bad ones. No. Obviously, that ended off in a short note.
That's a lot of food, ma'am.
Oh, I know.
Ma'am.
You know what?
Mumsy.
I didn't know
Mumsy.
what is. I didn't know what is the size portions. Like I checked online, but it's sometimes hard to see what is the size portion and etc. So I took whatever we liked. But if we have leftovers, I don't think our family will cry. Someone will take it to lunch for tomorrow, and some other guy will eat mapo tofu tomorrow for sure for lunch. So for breakfast.
Or for a snack later in the day. Which
It's
it
possible
happens
too.
sometimes.
This one is amazing.
So good. They really have a nice bite to them.
I think that's why I never tried. This is my first actually. I never tried this type of noodle.
Good as mine.
I always saw strictly dumpling. Mike Chen always goes and tries those noodles everywhere because he's really love this noodle.
It's hard, so. Cheater.
Oh, it's okay. One day you'll get hang of it, and you'll be able to eat with chopsticks. One day.
What is my smallest spoon ever? Can I have spoon, normal spoon, please? Do you need it?
No. Right now.
The soup is amazing.
This food is so good.
I'm thinking what I want.
What do you want?
I'm thinking.
Almost makes you feel like you're in Asia if you close your eyes.
True.
I don't have to close my eyes because we're at home, so I can pretend I'm at home in Asia, and not at home in Canada.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
And pretend there's no icy snow outside.
Cold ice is
Going
no.
icy snow. We can pretend it's not there.
Actually,
Mind you, I'm sure in China now it's cold, very cold.
I
as
bet
well.
that in some parts
this
of
food
China.
we'd be eating it outside, especially in Thailand or Japan. We'd be eating this exact
This is
food
Sichuan province.
outside.
Guys, do you know if Sichuan province has snow now? Very much could be.
Oh wow! So we don't have to imagine there's no snow.
I don't know. I am not sure. China is so
Vast.
and big. If you look on the map, the northern part is
Definitely
even
snow,
above
yeah.
around
Mongolia, which is cold and
and probably above Vancouver as well. I don't know. Well, it's hard to judge according to the map coordinates, but still. We have a big world map and we're kind of always referring to it. I can't really see Sichuan province from here.
this one is amazing. Like, you know what? This one
Nice and chewy.
nice and chewy and beefy and whatever beef noodle soup should be. This is it, I think. What do you think? Can I have a little bit more of this one?
You know, whatever you want.
I told you that I enjoy noodles I enjoy things that people handmade.
Yeah. Same.
And the noodles is part of it. I'm not going to run and buy, other noodles mostly. But homemade or in a handmade.
Usually I don't enjoy noodles, so I like this one.
I know, you and me I think enjoy rice usually more than noodles.
I enjoy rice more, but I'm not saying I enjoy rice, period. Because
No,
I'm not
but-
a fan of rice.
No.
Neither.
Yeah.
You're a fan of rice.
I love
The family is
rice.
not a fan of noodles. The whole
I think
family.
out of the whole family, Victoria loves noodles the most.
Yeah.
But those noodles are really surprisingly enjoyable.
I love them.
Because I was skeptical. She said, no, noodles. I'm like, noodles?
I went to this-
Noodles? Do I really want noodles? I'm not sure I want noodles.
No, the
I
thing
went
is,
to this restaurant, and if you're from the area, it's Legend House, I think.
yeah, the Legend House.
Yeah. So I went to this restaurant and I was talking to them and I saw that they make everything handmade, and I think it's the only place in our area that actually made it handmade.
I do not know.
One of the only reasons why I actually wasn't skeptical about the noodles is because I know usually handmade noodles are usually very thick and doughy. And that's how I like noodles. If I do like them, those are usually the type of noodles I like.
What I want more?
Yes?
No, I want more of this. Someone wants, Regina?
No,
Around?
Ariel has. Ariel has them. He didn't eat them.
I don't like them. That's me.
It's too spicy.
Yeah, to me. I literally can eat everything else with no problems. I don't need rice for this.
From apple photo?
Yeah, this doesn't really fit with rice. But this we take rice instead of this usually. So we take rice instead of noodles a lot of times.
Yeah.
I really love this one. The peanut sauce just makes all the difference, I think.
It's not terribly spicy though, it just has a little spiciness. But it makes you want to drink a lot.
Yeah, I already drank my water.
I bet it's the seasoning.
Not the spiciness.
No, it's this MSG embedded.
You think they put
salt.
MSG?
Oh yeah, I know.
So sad they put MSG everywhere. I bet you can ask without it.
Actually, kind of
I
unavoidable.
can try to. I'm sure that they will do it.
The problem is it might be one of the main ingredients that has it. So
Seasoning.
if you say no and they agree to it, you're basically going to get some type of, I don't even know.
So in China they use a lot of MSG as well?
I think so.
Almost all major they do.
But you know what?
Oh.
Oh well.
And we're
Some
going
people
on the
get
way.
headaches from them. If you don't get headaches, I think you're okay. Once in a while.
Sometimes I get headaches from eating too much because my jaw starts to get numb. Which there was a funny video on that.
Which we do?
I have no idea what he's talking about.
I have no idea.
From eating too much, your jaw gets numb? What are you talking about?
We chew a lot.
From what?
We chew a lot.
When you chew?
It was I know about one video. It was hysterical video about Thailand.
I got it, yeah.
This is the video that you're talking about.
Yeah, but it actually happened to me every once in a while.
There's,
Oh, that one, visit Thailand, and what will
Yeah.
happen with that girl?
With the
Yes.
girl.
Okay.
It does happen to me every once in a while, but
Guys,
For real?
I
Yeah.
don't want to put it anywhere.
Do you want some
For
noodles?
real?
More noodles?
More noodles?
It's when she came to Thailand, and then they were like...
No, the video started extremely dramatic. There's this girl that looks like half dead, and like with this, like this, and start and then you understand after I don't know some seconds you understand that she is not dead, and
Yeah.
start like moaning like oh
Yeah.
like with the.
Yeah. She just came to Thailand and she ate and then she ate and she ate and she just chewed until her jaw was like so sore. She's like
It just stuck.
overate and she was like that's it. She couldn't move from
So-
overeating and the jaw got stuck because she chewed too much.
So the fun part that's what happened to you if you come to Thailand. So that's what the
we're like, be careful, you can't come. You can
idea
tell.
of the video.
It was funny.
It was hysterical, so yeah. I think that's what will happen to us if we will go to Asia. And if you see one video like that where can't eat and then just and can't talk and just like this,
You know what
you
it
will
is?
know why.
It's Eat Asia syndrome.
I think that's actually what they called it in the.
I don't know.
Especially for our family because oh, you know how we love Asian food.
No. Why would they think that?
I don't know. I think we eat Asian food more than we eat any other type of food. So
True.
Yeah,
You want to try the smaller ones? Maybe it will be easier. Oh, the one stick in your guy.
exactly.
the 5 spice on it.
Try to bring them straight. Yeah,
Okay.
like that. Go straight. So that one twist.
Thank you, Spoon.
Thank you,
It's full of-
Spoon.
it's
Thank
full
you,
of
Spoon. You're
these.
the best invention in the world.
Spoon is pretty good invention. They want a fork?
Actually, the oil in them, the chili oil, it's not overly spicy at all. It's like quite mild.
I'm stuffed. I'm full. Are you full?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, yeah.
It's all about the last bite.
Just perfect.
Or the last
Sometimes you're
noodle.
not full, and then like, you know what? You're right.
Just
Last
perfect
bite.
last. Boy.
What are you
This is
doing?
my last bite.
He's trying.
I
No,
can-
you can't eat it like this, Ariel.
Yeah, I did
Really. Practice. Practice your skills.
it.
Like this.
I didn't even realize I did it.
Good. So yeah, thank you so very much for being with us.
Thank you for joining us, and
Thumbs up for this meal.
jump through the screen to have leftovers.
Yeah, right. I don't think for long. So
No,
yeah,
not for
thank
long.
you so very much for being with us, and don't
Thank you,
forget to
guys.
subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers,
Live in
life.
life. Don't poke them. Don't poke them.
Little
And remember,
a pencil.
Go
Go
towards
towards
your
your
joy
joy
and do something fun every day. And eat something yummy every day. And
Yeah.
we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.